Welcome back. Today we're going to learn about conditionals and loops. Conditionals are statements that are executed based on a certain condition. There are three main conditionals in Java: if loop, while loop, and for loop. For the if loop conditional, only if the condition given is true is the code in the block executed. Here the code in the block is the code following the curly brackets after the if statement. Otherwise, it moves on to the else condition and executes the statements in that block. In the while loop conditionals, as long as the condition is true, the loop is executed. So, we have to be careful about creating infinite loops. If we just counted and replaced the cereal in the bowl instead of eating it, we would create an infinite loop because we are just counting as long as the cereal is there, and since we put the cereal back in the bowl, we will always have cereal to count, creating an infinite loop. In the for loop conditionals, there are three statements. The first statement is the initialization statement, which is only executed once before any other statement. The second statement is the condition statement that the loop needs to reach before it terminates. So as long as the condition is not met, the statements within the for loop are executed. Finally, the third statement is the updation statement, which is what happens to the variable in the first statement after every loop. Now, you can try writing a while loop to add 1 until I equals 27. Try writing the same with a for loop now. Once you're done with your attempt, you can come back here and verify it with my answers. So, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next lesson.